Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about two types of braids in which we are using 5 strands. This is number one type of braid we are going to learn by using the 5 strands. Take these strands on the right strand and these two on the left side. You need to pick this right outermost strand and bring over the red and black cord like this, which results in 3 strands on the left side and 2 strands here. Now pick the left strand here and bring it over these 2 strands, black and purple, and you will notice then we have 3 strands here and 2 here. Pick the outermost right cord and over the red and purple. Now pick the outermost left cord and over the 2 cords here. Now as you can see we have 3 cords here. Pick the outermost cord and over these 2 cords, and we will keep doing this like this. And that's how you make flat braid by using 5 strands. This looks like a normal 3 strand braids, but we are actually using 5 cords. Now we will do the second type of braid in which we take the right cord and bring over and under like this. Then pick the left cord and over and under like this. Then again right cord over and under and cross. Then pick the left cord over and under and then cross. Pick the outermost right cord over and under and pick them like this and cross. Pick the left cord over and under and pick them like this and cross, and keep doing this. In this way you will make 5 strand braid like this. So that's how you made 5 stranded braid. It's just like a snake braid which we made by using the 4 strands. It gives the same look, but here we are using 5 strands. So we just learned 2 types of braid by using 5 strands. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.